Hi, welcome in this video. As you can see, I'm going to show you how to build this Brummbar Panzer 4. In a second, you're going to see the parts list needed for it. You can pause it. Here it is. But I will keep talking for a second. Yeah, this will be my last video for a couple of weeks because I'm going on a long vacation. So I will not be able to show you any more videos, but I wanted to upload this one because it's an amazing design. If you are getting annoyed by my voice, just mute it. In the meanwhile, the steps are passing by you. I will keep talking a little bit because I want to say you that this model is based on the Brickmania Panzer 4, but the Brummbar modification is done by Eli Johansson, if I'm correct. I will put a link in the description, of course, and to his Instagram page, so you can see his correct name if I pronounce it wrong. Yeah, almost done already the steps for this one while I'm talking. I hope you're going to like this video, this design. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and give my channel a subscribe, so when I'll be back and I will upload new stuff. Then I'm working on a pretty cool 135 scale tank at this moment. You can see it again. You get a notification. Well, this one is almost ready. I'm going to show you one version more, same tank in a different color scheme. Little disclaimer for that: all those parts are only available in that color at WW2.com. Perfect quality parts. Check the link in my description. It's a sponsored link. I have to tell you this. It's about these parts. As you can see, the olive greens are non-existent. Most of the stuff, some of them are non-existent in Lego. But if you want to build the Brummbar in this color version, go to WW2.com, sponsored link in the description of this video, and if you buy it by using that link, you also help me keeping this channel alive. And yeah, I'm going to leave you with the last few steps, and see you after the summer. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.